don't give a fuck about you. I don't give a fuck about Steel. And I don't give a fuck about Raheem either. I don't give a fuck about myself. I ain't shit. I ain't never gonna be shit. And you less of a man than me, so soon as I decide that you ain't gonna be shit,
Mexiko.
so be it. You remember that, motherfucker.
We weren't talking sign language when them fingers twisted. I'm by none, toasted up to my mob niggas. Your time done, took your chain, I rob niggas. Never catch a nigga lacking, I got mine, nigga. I'm paid in full, but I seen this before. Asking me what my bricks, niggas turn to Rico. Asking me about my daughter like he seen her before. Last nigga spoke her name, now he ain't breathing no more. I see you posting little cheese, I spent that shit at the store. I came up with that cheese, my charge ain't pending no more. Pray to my granny twice a day, my Glock ain't sending no more. I tell you about my life today, shit I ain't writing no more. Said fuck a pen and pad, I went relentless on songs. Shit, I'm respectful to the dead, I'm buy them gifts when they gone. Shit like Craig did Debo, put a brick on his dome. You know niggas feel different when I'm posted with wrong.